Okay, we're going to try this last tricky question. I'm going to show you something that might help you deal with these questions where factoring and canceling can help you. They give you some number here, and it's like a billion almost, 999,999,991. And they say, let that be X. Well, you put that in and you cube it, and then you put 9 in and you cube it, and then you do it. You could work out what that is. Your calculator can't even handle that. If they allowed you to use a calculator, it won't work. So, the only way this is going to work is if we turn it into something much simpler, much simpler. And so, the idea, if it is going to simplify it, I think it must be factoring and canceling. So the thing on the bottom, it must cancel with itself on the top. So like, why not just write it down, say we don't know that it's supposed to be x plus y, but just write it down again on the top. And then think, okay, how can I get x cubed plus y cubed with this crazy thing here? Well, just put an x. X times x is x squared. That gives you x cubed. And y times y squared, that gives you y cubed. But hey, there's nothing else here. So there must be a lot of things that are canceling each other as you multiply it out. In fact, let's try here. Y times x squared. Y times x squared. Well, here we have x times minus xy. That's minus x squared y. So it cancels. And in the same way, x times y squared. X times y squared is going to cancel with this y times minus y minus xy squared. Minus xy squared. So all of that cancels and you're just left with x cubed and y cubed. Well, there, this multiplied by this equals this. But I knew to write down all of this first, and then the only way I can get x cubed and y cubed is to write down x plus y, and it all works out. Now that cancels, and now all we have to do is take this number and add 9 to it. And in the memo, they just did, they dropped 3 of the 9s here. So I guess we could make it work, right? I'm not sure exactly what the question is in your question paper, but if it was that, that would be the answer. If it was close to a million, you add 9. You'd add another 3 zeros if it was that number with 999, 999, 991. And that's it.